make a living from walking in the woods, you can bet I'd be sitting pretty good high on a hill, looking at a field downwind. If I can make a nickel off of turning in bass, never worry about the price of gas, I'll be wheeling and dealing and sitting there reeling them in. Hunting, fishing, loving every day, that's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way, hunting and fishing and loving every day.
He running with it. You drew first blood.
First blood, boy.
Old Dinker largemouth.
He hit like a...
There's one. Oh, that's a better one, I think. Nah, he ain't. He's a dink too. He's a dinker-doo. That's bait.
Fish is a fish.
A fish is a fish. That feels like a spot. Oh, he's little, whatever it is. It is a spot. He didn't want to jump. Where's your big brother at? Oh, he came off. Felt like a little better one there. Yeah, that's a decent one. Damn, he was coming right at the boat, wasn't he?
Yeah, he's a nice size too. Yeah.
He was not hooked very well at all. All right, nice. Take him.
Here's a fish, boy, today.
Yeah.
How does it gonna get?
It's not the 4-pound average I was looking for.
You never know, that might be the next one, might be that big one.
All right, dude, calm down. There we go.
Damn, he hit hard too, man. Little fish. He hit hard.
Nice. That's the Kathy Parker. Looks like she's empty. Dude up top there, see him? 2 of them up there. Wait a minute. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. Still works. Nice.
Shocker.
A good one. Need the net? Nice. Yeah, nice one too.
Booyah! Yeah.
I have one little head back there.
I didn't think I was gonna get him. He hit like a.
You got him though. Nice. Finally, old spinnerbait got one. More weeds than I got fish. Hell, that's a brim. That's a brim. But he hit good. I did too. Might be a good one. Fight him out of there. Look how dark green they are.
Yeah, he's
They've been in those weeds for a while. The spoon. Ain't big, but that's a fish. Thank you, sir.